Namaste. I'm Niva Mathema with Daya Foundation. I'm a past president and also founding member. And today I'm really pleased that Silver Mountain School of Hotel Management has sent students from their housekeeping department in order to learn to clean a historic home. And this Daya Chhen is about 200 years old. And this is our ancestral home. And the students have come with cleaning material that is very organic, nothing chemical, because we don't want to destroy the upkeep and the outlook of the historic home. It's all made out of clay and mud, and over the years, in 200 years, it has been renovated. So I really particularly want to thank Rachana Thapa ma'am from Silver Mountain School of Hotel Management for this wonderful idea to send us students here. And so the students, along with the faculty, are doing the cleaning up in the 3 floors of this home. And in the coming days, we really hope that we can do more programs that are productive for the students, and Daya Chhen is there to serve the community. Thank you very much.
नमस्ते, मेरो नाम सञ्जयमान श्रेष्ठ हो र म चाहिँ नन्दोखा तरवारबाट आएको र म चाहिँ इन्जिनियर हो र मेरो खास काम चाहिँ यो पुराना घरहरू मठ मन्दिरहरू चढाएको चाहिँ रेस्टोरेसन गर्ने काम हो र यो यस दया छेको रेस्टोरेसनको काम पनि म आफैले गरेको हो र आजको दिनमा चाहिँ हामीले यो कलेजको भाइहरूलाई यहाँ ल्याएर हामीले चाहिँ यस घरको चाहिँ सरसफाइको कार्यक्रम हामी गर्दैछौँ र उहाँ भाइहरूले अहिले चाहिँ सबै कोठाहरूमा गएर तपाईँहरूको प्यासेजमा सबै ठाउँमा गएर चाहिँ उहाँले चाहिँ यस घरको चाहिँ सरसफाइहरूको काम चाहिँ गर्दैछ। धन्यवाद।
सिल्भर माउन्टेन कलेजबाट सो हामी चाहिँ दया छेमा चाहिँ आज हाउसकिपिङ टिमले चाहिँ सो क्लिननेस कामहरू गरेको छ। जस्तै अब लाइक एउटा हिस्टोरिकल एरियामा चाहिँ सो हामीले विदाउट युजिङ सच इन्डस्ट्रियल क्यानका बिना चाहिँ सो हामीले कसरी क्लिन गर्ने भनेर चाहिँ सो यहाँ चाहिँ इम्प्लिमेन्ट गर्छौँ।